been a long time, and we kind of decided to, introduce this new segment called Conversations on Board for our podcast. And this is
Yeah,
something that just came out of the blue because, like, as soon as the lockdown came into existence, like me personally and my friend, uh, we kind of got into the game of chess. Like, obviously, we had
right.
played, being Indians, we kind of played this game a lot while
Not
growing
me,
up.
bro. Mane chess. I mean, I didn't even know much about the game,
Right.
and during the lockdown only, I started developing an interest. And as you said, we started playing, and I remember we used to video call each other. I mean, we still do
Right.
that, and
Yeah.
just play games and longer games and have conversations.
Right. Right. Right.
So yeah, so might as
And we
well.
kind
We
of
thought,
realized also that the conversations that were taking place while playing the game were quite unique and
yeah,
very personal, I would say, and as you would expect to
yeah, a
people
pretty
in their
casual
20s,
conversation
very
between two
casual, yeah.
friends. Yeah, yeah,
And that's the reason why we kind of thought that it would be a great idea for a podcast to have this game going on simultaneously and us talking about some
right.
random stuff.
Yeah.
We'll begin with it,
So
Anurag.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I'll send you a request on chess.com, and then we'll move with our conversations as well.
yeah, cool. I've accepted it.
So I'm really excited for this. The first episode on of conversations on board.
Right. So tell me, how do
So,
you got into the game of chess? You were saying?
dude, I'll start with how streaming became so popular, online streaming during the
Hmm.
lockdown. And पहले भी होता था. Like
Right.
it's not like इस COVID के बाद ही online streaming got the boom and all. But and if you see content in a way, so there are two types of content that people usually put on YouTube or various platforms. One is they'll put one video or two videos every month,
Hmm.
and one is they'll stream every day, and the content won't be high quality, but they'll stream for hours and hours. So I was
Right.
just watching one day, and I'm like, okay, what is this game? Like I knew chess. It's not like I didn't know the game. But I'm okay, let's see. Some people I followed and liked were playing the game. I'm like, might as well go into it. And then I was like, okay, the game is pretty interesting.
Right.
And, might as well start with the game. So I was
The
like,
funny
so I
thing is, I've
started
kind
getting
of
into chess.
yeah,
Yeah.
and the funny thing is that I have come to realize that I like the virtual version of this game more than the physical version because of because if you make an illegal you firstly you cannot make an illegal move
Right.
while playing virtually because the computer always stops you. But if you play
Yeah.
that the other way around, it'll kind of
Hmm.
you have to be very careful and but
Right.
yeah, I believe chess is it's a beautiful game to be honest. Like I
It's
just
really good.
it's
But I would,
underappreciated.
I prefer the over the board man. Like, I feel there's
Yeah,
something where you, like, touch the pieces and move it, and there's a timer on the side, and there's this pressure going on. I mean, we have played some games. I remember we met a few weeks back.
right, right, right.
Yeah,
Just the
we had a lot
adrenaline
of fun.
boost that you get playing a
Right.
game over a board, it's quite different.
Yeah, 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 definitely. But we
But
started playing during the lockdown only. Na? Before that, I don't think even college maybe played that much, or like I don't think we played
nobody
at all.
played.
I remember
Yeah,
first semester mein, you played one game with one of our friends in the common room, and
yeah,
that time I didn't even know what castling is, and I just
yeah.
castled. So yeah,
But it's also thanks to like a lot of games that were, like
right,
PUBG, for instance, got banned. I think it
dude,
was
PUBG.
few days into the lockdown or something. Not that I was
Yeah,
a regular PUBG player or anything, but
yeah,
that was something that we played on a regular, well, especially in college.
definitely.
Yeah, because it was so like you could get in a lot of people and stuff like that. But I believe chess is something that boomed during the lockdown because even if you see it in like all these
For sure.
comedians, it's just boomed, and that's just
Yeah, yeah,
great to
yeah.
see because it's this some game that you say that what can you actually learn from a game, but playing this you kind of realize
Right.
that it's such an intense game. It's
No,
such
it's
a
true.
beautiful game.
And there's this player, his name is Hikaru Nakamura. He's one of the best players. I'm sure you know about him. He said something along the line of, ki, if you don't like chess, you don't really know the game. And I know some people might disagree on this, And he said there's a difference between knowing the rules of chess and actually knowing the game. And when you
Right.
actually come to know like how the game is played and strategies and all, I think it's really interesting.
Also, like it's also funny. Like I got into the game because I had nothing to do during that time. If you
Huh.
remember, during the lockdown, PUBG got banned. Then people suddenly started, getting
Yeah.
online and house party and stuff kind of boom. Then I don't know, it went for
Hmm.
a toss immediately. I think month into house party, people started realizing what a scam it was. I don't know if it was, if it wasn't.
Yeah, a lot of news and all got spread.
Right.
Even I till date I
Information
don't
leak or
know.
something. Yeah,
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 till date I
same.
don't know if the news was like fake or true.
But I had few
So,
friends जिनका क्या scene हुआ था
hmm.
कि they actually, got emails that your profile was logged in from some Vietnam and stuff like
Oh
that.
wow.
I'm not even kidding. Something like that happened to a few of my friends. So maybe there was
Hmm.
some truth to that,
Interesting.
but obviously we
Probably.
cannot assess.
But house parties also had a lot of games, right? And this was one of the formats which I really liked, where you can video chat with your friends and play some fun games also.
Right. I think House
Yeah.
Party gave people the idea of. I mean, not didn't that didn't give the idea of people to that didn't give idea to people to stream the whole thing or
Huh.
not. But I think it kind
Yeah.
of
Definitely. Like as a social this thing, I think
definitely
house
definitely.
party is something that. But after house party also, how do you remember what else did we play like apart from
Covidopoly,
chess?
if people
Yeah,
remember, it was
I don't
the
even remember. Huh, I remember
Monopoly
you.
deal version with Covidopoly.
Huh.
I mean, it was really funny, but it
Yeah.
was quite nice to be honest.
But how was it played? I really don't know. I've never played the game. So, what was it
It
about
was like
basically?
Mono Deal. Have you played
Yeah,
Mono Deal?
once or twice again.
It's a great game. So it was a online virtual version of Mono Deal. Great
Right.
game. You should
Okay.
definitely try it.
So
Yeah,
why was it called COVID or Poly though?
because I think the naming of certain cards, let's say go to jail hota tha na Monopoly mein.
Yeah.
So it had some COVID terminology that you were in quarantine,
Yeah.
something like that. So it was quite
Your
innovative. It was
SPO2
damn
level
funny.
dropped.
Yeah, something like
Nice
that.
one.
It was quite nice to be honest.
Nice.
Uh,
Nice.
and then if you remember, Among Us also came into existence.
Oh, dude,
Great game.
Among Us was really crazy.
It was a great game to be honest. I
Yeah,
really liked. I
for
don't know why
sure.
people stopped playing it. People stopped streaming it also. It was a great
Yeah.
game.
Yeah,
Kept
Among
you
Us,
hooked.
true. It kept you hooked. I mean, to be honest, I was playing some games with my old friends,
Yeah,
and so it's basically a game of acting, right? Like if you are the imposter, if you are the killer, then you have to
right.
act it out. And those
Hmm.
friends used to get on fight that, bro, you're my friend. How come you're lying? Tu jhoot kaise bol sakta hai mujhse and all that.
The
So
game got
like,
personal.
yeah, the game got personal, but yeah, it was a pretty good game. But suddenly like the popularity dropped.
Huh,
I feel.
probably I don't know, dude. But then it's really hard to say because
Hmm.
it's like people have such short attention span. Probably
Yeah,
that's
dude.
also the reason because you get bored of some like certain things really fast.
No,
Same with
definitely.
house party
Attention
to be
span is
honest.
a huge issue
It's a big thing. It's a
this
big thing,
time.
especially for our generation to be honest.
Yeah, dude. And a lot of movies I'm trying to watch. And so the movie Irishman, okay, I've been
Oh,
meaning to watch
oh.
it for a really long time. I still haven't. It's such a long movie.
It's
And
some 3.5 hours, no?
it's all about attention span. But I'll still, go on Netflix and binge out shows after shows, episodes after episodes, which will easily cross few hours. But when it comes to
Definitely.
movie, like
Because you
yesterday I
always have
started
that
watching
thing, no?
this movie. Sorry.
You always have this thing, no, in your head that movie 3 hours is too long, but watching a series,
Yeah.
let's say
Yeah,
Friends also, okay,
exactly.
22 episodes, 24 episodes one season had, but you could watch 10 episodes
Right.
at once. So,
For
yeah.
sure. Even you started Friends again, right? I think you were telling me that day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Especially
Yeah.
during the lockdown. It's a very happy-go-lucky series. So,
Hmm. Great game. A great movie. A great show, sorry.
great show, great show.
So, yeah. Last night I was watching a movie, Inglorious Bastards,
Oh, Leo DiCaprio.
Tarantino.
Yeah.
No. Brad Pitt it had.
How was it?
I mean, I didn't see the whole thing. Again, attention span issues, I guess. But it was basically about Jews versus Nazis and all that. Although majority of the movie was in French and German.
Right.
So So yeah, but if you've noticed with Tarantino, his movies are mostly non-linear. Like even this one was divided into chapters, like chapter one, chapter two, chapter three. And even the movie Pulp Fiction also had chapters, and they're some way related, but it's not
Right,
a linear movie. As in, there's no say beginning mein kuch hota hai and then end mein there's
right,
something
right,
else.
right. Yeah, it doesn't.
So yeah.
I think Once Upon a Time in in Hollywood was appreciated because it was linear, right?
Oh, I haven't seen the movie, though I have to. It's on my watch list.
I think it was, but I mean, like,
Hmm.
but yeah. Also, like apart from movies and all that stuff, people also
Yeah.
kind of developed a hobby during the lockdown. If you know,
Yeah, dude. That's
I
true.
mean,
They got a lot
insane,
of time to pursue their hobby
which
also,
is great, which is
which
great.
is really good. One good thing that came out of. But then
Yeah,
again, there were people who were, constantly on the bed. And I was one of those for at least few weeks that just
right.
doing nothing, absolutely just laying on your bed and doing absolutely nothing.
Right.
But I think there were phases. There were good parts. There were bad parts.
Definitely, yeah.
So,
Oh, it's always there. But like even like the amount of online content that came into existence because of the lockdown, like people started their
right.
own page, then bakery pages, etc., etc.
Yeah, a lot of food pages started,
And it was
developing then.
amazing.
It was really good
Like,
because
yeah,
if you see a lot of food channels and food pages on Instagram, some of them are really good. Like, they'll have amazing recipes, but the problem is कि आधी चीजें तुम्हारे घर पे नहीं होगा.
right,
And
right.
when your own friends are, starting their own pages and all that, okay, they are using the same maida I use. So
Yeah,
essentially everything they have, you will also have. So yeah,
which
you're
is
right.
quite nice. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I also ordered from a lot of friends, who started baking.
Ah,
I
oh
came to
wow.
realize that they actually are good cooks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice,
Also,
nice.
books have been a
Yeah, dude.
great addition.
Books. Okay, I'll be honest. I didn't develop a hobby of reading, which I regret, to be honest, since I was a kid. But around my birthday, I got a Kindle for myself.
Right.
And I know there's this whole war between ebook readers and physical book readers and all that, but I don't think I can make a decision yet because like I haven't read a lot of physical books.
Right.
But I mean, to me, it was pretty interesting. I mean, yeah, I understand there is a feeling that you'll have a lot of books. There's a charm in reading
Mini
physical
library.
books. Just yeah, exactly. And the same with what I have with chess. I like playing over the board, and some
Right.
people like playing it online. But
Right.
to be honest, really liked the ebook experience. To be honest, what do you feel about it?
To be honest, I still prefer the physical reading of the book. I don't necessarily enjoy Kindle. A lot of people do,
Huh?
and it's a great way. Like obviously, you're saving paper and stuff like
You're
in
saving
the
paper. You're
long,
saving money, dude.
you're saving money as well. No,
Yeah.
but you buy Kindle editions, right? I mean,
No.
it's
So
cheaper, obviously.
there are websites. What essentially they do is they'll have this hacks and all where you can essentially download books for free.
Right.
And I mean, I'm not aware of it. Like I've heard about them.
Heard of
I'm
it.
not. Yeah. I know friends who have used it.
Yeah, friends.
So and they just download the PDF and
Right.
they convert into Kindle editions and it's really good. Like it's.
It's good.
I mean, I haven't read those books, but from what I've heard, that
Hmm.
they don't really make a difference.
Right. Right.
So I mean, yeah. But
Possibly,
what do
yeah,
you
but
feel about ebooks and which one do you prefer? Like
I
mostly
prefer
physical,
the
right?
yeah, physical. But I because I
Hmm.
it's see I have this habit. I underline these quotes. Okay,
Right.
जो भी I think it's
Ah.
whatever quote I feel कि भाई बहुत अच्छा है. You should apply it in
Oh.
your life because so there's this book that I've been reading. It's
Hmm.
called the subtle art of not giving an F.
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't
so
know the famous or the infamous.
it's a great book, man. I mean, I would
Yeah.
suggest people to read it. It's a great book. A lot of things like mental health has been a big issue during the lockdown.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
So I think this book is something that kind of, reassures you and kind of, uh, kills all the air surrounding a lot of things. Okay. कि
Hmm.
obviously you're alone, तो तुम सोचते हो कि, the things I'm feeling, other people are supposed to feel the same way or not, right? So
Right.
there are things that maybe तुम अपने perspective से समझ रहे हो, but there's a
Hmm.
whole another perspective attached to it. This book kind of, talks about that.
Ah.
Not everything in life is black and white. There's a lot of
Hmm.
gray area in life.
Gray
जो तुम्हारे
areas,
लिए हो
right?
सकता है black and white हो, but maybe for the other person it's kind of a gray area. So
Hmm.
I think this book is great. I would definitely
Yeah.
suggest everyone to read it because it's a great book.
It's just one book that I've seen around people posting pictures with this orange book that says subtle art of not giving. But I don't know anything about the book. What is it about? And
Great book. But
but yeah, if you say so, I'll
yeah,
probably give it a read.
definitely, it's a great book. I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
your turn. Oh shit, it's my turn.
Yeah, dude, I was wondering, इसका time जा रहा है.
What all books have you been reading?
Dude, there's this book am currently reading. It's called The Psychology of Money.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, and I mean, I think that to start reading, I feel that start with something that interests you.
Right.
And I have a really nice inclination towards personal finance and investments and all that. And this is one of the few books. I mean, I haven't come across any other book that looks at money from a psychological perspective. Like all the books you'll read on money and finance, what they'll essentially do is they'll talk about graphs, they'll talk about analysis, this maths company, and all these fancy terms that a lot of people might not understand.
Right.
But what this book does, it kind of captures what the people are thinking. Like I'll tell
Mm-hmm.
you a small bit from it. It talks about how different people have different experiences
Mm-hmm.
with money.
Right.
Like if you were born or like if you experienced investments during the 2008 crisis,
Right.
which was one of the biggest crises
Mm-hmm.
Indian markets have ever seen. Uस time pe the markets were only going downwards,
Right.
and uस time pe if you ask and the person who has experienced that, they won't be that excited about stock markets and investments. But if a person has started investments after 2014, let's say,
Hmm.
after which the
When
market
the
is
market has
pretty much
already gone up.
rising,
हाँ.
so उसके लिए तो वैसा ही होगा ना कि हाँ market will give you good returns.
Right.
So it's all about, so that one chapter talks about perspective, like how different
Mm-hmm.
people, like for a let's say for a homeless guy, the
Right.
the value of risk is much more high than any privileged person. So I think
Correct.
that book is really good, and I would recommend it to like pretty much anyone.
It's also like,
So
like talking about the stock market and stuff, like how our
hmm,
parents, our
yeah,
parents' generation has been hesitant with the, investing in stock market because of
hmm,
like what happened during the Harshat Mehta scam and stuff.
yeah. Did you get to see
So
the web series they
yeah,
made
Scam
on it?
92. It was
Scam
great. It's funny
1992
how they're coming up with this new,
movie,
the
now.
big bull, Abhishek Bachchan ka, हाँ.
Yeah, who all are in it? Abhishek Bachchan stars or what?
I think it's only Abhishek Bachchan जिसको I know.
Yeah, but the game is getting pretty much intense,
Arey, I'm
and I
about to
think
lose
uh yeah,
unless you blunder.
should I?
It'll only
Dude,
carry forward the conversation.
well, let's see.
No, but about Big Bull, I don't think it'll be that good, यार. मतलब,
I blundered, I guess.
was that on purpose?
Guess we'll never know.
Arey, I'll anyway lose on time.
Oh, I can't give you time also. There's some setting
Arey, it's
issues.
okay. But yeah, like towards the
Huh.
end, I'll just say the movie won't be that great. I'm guessing. मतलब हो
Yeah.
सकता है अच्छी हो. Yeah.
It's mostly about the scam thing only, na? Or like
It's
the
the
scam thing is
same
a
thing. Why
part of
would you
it.
want to pay or whatever? Why would you want to invest your
Uh,
time into something that you've already seen? And like that series was fab. It's not that it was a shit
yeah,
series.
dude.
कि भाई,
Pratik Gandhi, the actor who plays
Harshad Mehta.
Harshad Mehta, he did a phenomenal job, portraying the character.
Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
good game though.
Great game.
We'll analyze it later.
Later.
The Sicilian defense we played, apparently. Nice one.
Hello, I
Nice.
think that was it for the first one.
Yeah, I think I had mad fun. I mean, I'm not sure how everyone will like it, but I had like a great time.
Right. So see you guys.